Good morning, welcome to another vlog. I feel like I haven't filmed in such a long time, and I actually haven't. I've just been feeling a bit deflated and not very motivated. Like, I've got clips and stuff filmed as well that I've imported into my computer, but I haven't worked on editing the video yet. I don't know why. Like, I'm just feeling a bit blah, like I'm not seeing any growth, and that's just putting me off more. Like, anyway, welcome to another vlog. I am going to do a better job of uploading this. I'm going to make sure that it's short so it's easy to edit as well, and it's hopefully a bit more engaging. But it is currently 6:50 in the morning. It's 9 degrees outside. I have just gotten out of the shower. I'm getting ready to go to work. It is a Tuesday. It is actually the 14th of May. I went yesterday. We had a virtual assessment center, so did that. And then today we've got the calibration for that, and then we've got a CEO visit, a group CEO visit that we need to be there for. I am loading up on some energy, so this is Boost. I did wash my hair yesterday. I did go to the gym this morning, which is really exciting. I am looking to switch it up, and by switch it up I mean I'm looking to incorporate a bit more cardio, because I feel like when I first lost weight before I got married, it was through cardio, so I want to incorporate that more. Plus I have PCOS, and I keep seeing videos suggesting that I need to do more cardio, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just applying some dry shampoo. I don't like this one. This is the Sidel dry shampoo for dark hair. Not a fan, but I have it, so I need to finish it. I am going to spray this, leave it in while I get ready, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to do something simple, keep it really easy and chill. But how have you guys been? I have so many, like, I have new products that I wanted to like do a haul video of, so I want to do that. That's on my list. I've bought new stuff. My birthday was last month, and I got some stuff with that, but I also just recently placed a Shein order. This sponge is from that, and I freaking love it. It's so good. But anyway, I need to stop wasting time, and I need to start getting ready, so I'm gonna go in with this primer. This is the Rare Beauty one. Excitingly, I've also finished a lot of products, so I want to do like an empties video as well. I've got the ideas, I can't for some reason sit my ass down and film. Like, I need to just get on it. But anyway, so yeah, I've got a ton of empties that I wanted to film, and then I've got the haul that I want to do. What else did I want to do? There was one more video that I wanted to do, and I forget what that is. But there were like bits and bobs. There are also like a lot of viral products that I have accumulated, I guess, that I wanted to film. I also got my nails done. How freaking pretty are they? I went back to my almond shape. I freaking love the way she's done them. I hate the fact that these are light. I like light nails. I keep getting them done, but I hate the fact that they are so easy to stain with like turmeric, which is so annoying, but I get them done anyway, and I try and be very, very careful with how I eat turmeric food. But yeah, anyway, I did get turmeric on it the next day after I got them done. I think it's almost off. I could try the hair dryer hack, but oh well. I want to try and make it before 8:30 or by 8:30 to work. I don't want to be any later than that, because the first meeting is at 9 o'clock. It's so early, and it's a 2-hour meeting. Like, hello, why is it 2 hours? I don't get it. Anyway, I went in with the color corrector. I'm gonna go in with the Light Illusion foundation. We are speeding past this shit today. I don't really have to do makeup. I just like to do makeup. It just makes me feel a bit more put together. Gives me like a confidence boost. my coverage also, like from compared to before, has like, I go in with lighter coverage. I'm not too fussed on that anymore. Like, a lot has changed, but I do enjoy doing makeup. It is also like a little bit of me time in the morning. But on a very serious note, like, I've had thoughts multiple times where I'm like, should not just worry about getting ready in the morning, because I would rather spend the time at the gym. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the multitasker better than filters thing. Yeah, so I have given that some thought, but I get to work and I'm like, oh, I feel like I need to do something. That's where I'm at. Oh, also, last week, one of my colleagues just up and quit. So, very exciting. Same thing happened last year, same time. I'm telling you, this role, you have to be resilient. You have to fucking put up with so much crap. And if you can't do it, you ain't lasting, baby. Like, anyway, so yeah, the role is definitely going to be hired for. They are definitely going to be replacing that person. It's just a matter of time when that is. But yeah. So at the moment, I feel like I do have a good support system in place at the moment for the most part, but I do feel like it's a lot, on. I find myself working from home, working at home post coming back from the office, like late into the evening, and like just trying to catch up with shit. So I am struggling in certain areas as well, because I feel like I'm a little bit lost in terms of what my portfolio looks like, because I'm pulled into multiple different directions, and which is great because it's a great growth opportunity for me and it's great exposure. But at the same time, I feel like everything else then takes a back burner, like my portfolio takes a back burner to support someone else's, which I feel like I'm cheating on my portfolio. I think it's stretch opportunities, which I'm all for, and I have a lot to learn in this particular area, because it's very, very new for me. It's not something that I remotely saw myself doing or being in, but I am here now, and I want to do it justice. Like, I don't want to do my job half-ass. So I am just struggling with like, what is mine and what is that I'm supporting. So the other part to this is that there is a lot of favoritism. And the issue with this is, it's fine. I love the person that they're, I guess, hyping up. But the issue is that they're very, very messy. And what happens is the team is then left to pick up their mess, which you then, if you slow down and take the time to actually work on it properly, then you wouldn't have to pull people from their patches and support you. But the issue is that because of what they do, you then have to drop everything and pick up their pieces. Honestly, I freaking love that person, and they're a great friend. I just wish there was a little bit of a balance between these things, but it's okay. I do absolutely love the people that I work with. It's what keeps me going. I feel like my concealer always just rubs off in this eye, and in particular like just this area. I don't know, I don't know why and how. Ooh. Oh, I went in with a heavy hand. Oops. Do you hear that? That's my freaking dog. It's so loud. I don't know why. Anyway, I came home last night. I freaking had such a bad day. I slept really bad the night before. And I couldn't switch off my brain. So struggled the whole night to sleep. Went to work and it was a fucking shit show. And then things just got worse at work. And then at one point I was just like, got in at 8, right? So like at about 4:25 I was like, I'm done. I'm gonna go home. I need to get out of this space. Like I actually physically needed to get out of the office. So I left on time and I came home, made a cup of coffee, jumped back in to work, did a little bit, and I actually like the coffee and just sitting down quietly, no interruptions, nothing, helped in such a big way. Like I was feeling so much more calmer after that. And then I was like, I'll go to the gym and stuff. I didn't, because then it was like dinner time and I was just feeling a bit drained, and I was like, if I go at night then I'm not going to go in the morning, and I prefer to go in the mornings because then I have more sort of energy to actually work out. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it a point to go in the morning. That's exactly what I did. I went this morning, felt great, and I didn't do much. Like I honestly just did the treadmill for 45 minutes, a little bit of an incline. I got a little bit of a sweat going. I don't normally sweat, so if I was sweating, that's great. Like I did something. I don't know if I'll go in the evening, but I might try. If not, then I'm gonna go tomorrow morning as well. I don't think I have an early meeting tomorrow morning, so I am definitely going to make it a point to go tomorrow as well. I just need to make sure that I get back into the routine. I feel like I've come out of it and it's just so hard to go back, and with like all the assessment centers and stuff, like it's really early mornings. So yeah, really want to get back into a good routine. I am going to India later this year, so I want to actually look good, lose a little bit of weight before I go. I want to feel healthy. I want to wear like decent clothes and stuff. Like just, I want to do it for me, you know? And I feel like I've prioritized others so much and I don't prioritize myself enough. So I really need to like start doing that. And that's where I'm at. I'm just gonna quickly dry my hair. It's 7:10, which is good. I mean, I just have to change and get out. It's still fine. I'm still okay, I think. Oh my god, I'm shedding like nobody's business. I hate it. Quick lip liner. This is the natural one from Rimmel, I think. I need to sharpen it. Alrighty. And then I do want to go in with this today. Hang on, let me finish this so I don't get it all over. I'm gonna go in with the Duck Plump lip gloss. It's such a beautiful shade. I'm ready. Anyway, this is the finished look. I'm gonna do my mascara in my car as I always do, but I'm gonna end this here. This is a quick catch up, quick get ready with me for work. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got a little bit of an insight on what's going on in my life. I will put this up very, very soon, but I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe and healthy. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.